Hi everyone, in this video I will show you Umamusume Pretty Derby error code 390. So this error usually occurs due to network issues like regional restrictions or server communication failure, common if you're playing from outside Japan. So the first thing to do is you need to use a Japan VPN if you're not in Japan. Umamusume is a region locked to Japan. So the solution is use a trusted VPN with Japan servers. I suggest go to your Google Play Store, install for any VPN application, and connect to a Japan server, then launch the game again. Next is switch from Wi-Fi to mobile data or vice versa. Sometimes a specific network has trouble connecting to the game server. So try turning on airplane mode for 10 seconds and turning it off, switching from Wi-Fi to mobile data or the other way around. 3. Clear app cache. A corrupted cache might cost for 390. So go to settings, apps, Umamusume, and then tap storage. Click this one and then look for clear cache. Tap on clear cache here. And then after that, you need to reinstall the game. So if the game was updated recently or if something broke in your install, you need to uninstall and reinstall Umamusume again and reconnect to a Japan VPN before launching it again. So you can long press, uninstall, and reinstall. And basically, these are the ways on how to fix this error. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.